The LifeSpan TR3000i without a doubt ranks among the best home treadmills. This machine's aim is to help you achieve your fitness goals, but also to make you feel comfortable while working out. When it comes to design, this treadmill comes in a space-saving, minimalist design, making it possible to fit in any room, whether folded or unfolded. It's made of high-quality materials which guarantee great durability and usage for a prolonged period of time. The fold-up treadmill's frame is crafted to be light and strong, combining performance and simple mobility. At the front, there's an LCD display which shows you how many kilometers you've run or how many calories you've burnt. Near the display, you can find a USB charging port which helps you to sync the machine with your phone. In addition, this treadmill houses an integrated Bluetooth which allows listening to your favorite music, monitoring your heart rate, and syncing your exercise results with the LifeSpan app quickly and easily, saving you more time for working out. Regarding performance, the LifeSpan comes with 21 programs. 5 of them are created to make you lose weight, 5 others aim for healthy living, 2 heart rate control programs, 7 sport training programs, and 2 programs are user-defined. Moving on, treadmill user weight capacities generally range from 250 to 400 pounds, which is great in my opinion, since it supports different body types. As for the shock absorption system, this treadmill consists of 8 shock absorbers, which help in lowering the pressure on your joints in your back, knees, and ankles. Furthermore, it's worth noting that this machine packs the IntelliStep technology, which keeps track of the number of steps taken during a workout session, showing you the exact distance you've covered while running, walking, or jogging. Moreover, the TR3000i is definitely a great treadmill and maybe one of the most versatile, easy foldable units that we've seen. So, to cut it short, considering the great features and performance that this machine has, we can safely conclude that the LifeSpan TR3000i treadmill would make a great addition to your home for your daily routines and exercises.